Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW i4 in Brooklyn Grey, the M Sport version. This i4 comes with 18-inch diamond cut alloys with the M Sport blue brake calipers. As well as on the front you can see our BMW adaptive LED headlights, the iconic Igni grills, as well as the black gloss trims, sunroof on top, privacy glass, and automatic open and close boot with plenty of space on the sides as well as in here. This boot automatically closes as well on the key. This i4 comes with a beautiful perforated leather seats with the ISOFIX child security system, plenty of storage on the sides, as well as some climate controls on the center with a place to charge your phone. Towards the driver's seat we can see our beautiful M Sport black leather steering wheel, where on the steering wheel we can control cruise. You have cruise control as well as the media settings. On the cluster we have this beautiful M Sport cluster. Towards the middle we can control all of our media, map, as well as this car comes with rear camera, sensors, and reversing assistant. Towards the center console we can see your cup holders, a place to put your phone, the fully automatic transmission. You control the media, navigation, map, the telephone, as well as all of our modes: Sport, Comfort, Eco Sport, and as well plenty of storage space on the middle as well as on the sides of the vehicle. This car also comes with automatic open and close, as well as the mirrors and the windows. This car is available for purchase across our various car sale websites, as well as the Joe Duffy website. All of our BMW pre-used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, my name is Tomas. Please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. Thank you so much. Have a great day.